that India was planning to get 450 megawatt solar energy, which India in which has not been successful, and currently it is producing around 250 megawatts. So currently we do not have enough supply of electricity for the electrical vehicles.
And I would like to add on by saying that India said in the Sustainable Development Goal of the UN United Nations in 2015 in the Paris Agreement that India will definitely be working for a cleaner and a greener energy, which can only be achieved if we focus on our e-vehicles. And India has also launched many of the policies in India, and such as National Mission Plan of 2020 and also the FAME scheme, which is the faster adoption for mobility of electrical vehicle. And with that, India and also the air condition in many of the cities are very worsened nowadays, and which can only be solved if we look for something which is more cleaner and greener, which can only be achieved by the e-vehicles.
Yes, gentlemen.
Also, as we know that India is among the top most 20 polluted countries in the world, and by the use of electric vehicles, the use of electric vehicles, the toxicity of gases and pollution will decrease, and which will help
इंटरप्ट कर
in
सकते हो बीच में आप कोई दिक्कत
environment, which is environment friendly.
And as our previous speaker said that according to Paris Climate Agreement, that if there is an increase in 1 degree Celsius, then this could have a bad consequence for the environment also. So we have to build electric cars so that there will be a less effect in the environment and less.
Yes, because they are 100% eco-friendly, and
Electric
as they run by
electric vehicles are good for environment, but it is not providing that much efficiency like petrol vehicles, and
I partially disagree with you, gentlemen, because if we have seen the expressway, also the project of the Indian government, the expressway between the Delhi and the Jaipur, and also the expressway between the Delhi and the Agra, it is fully consumed and is fully prepared for the e-vehicle charging also, which shows that India is definitely prepared. And what India requires
gentlemen,
is more investment.
it takes time almost 2 to 3
Definitely,
hours, 2 to 3 hours to recharge a whole car, and it's also more costly. We have
India is also working on developing the chargeable station, which our Prime Minister Modi had talked with the Tesla company.
Gentlemen,
Gentlemen, I agree with your statement, but currently now India is not the charge station can be built, but in rural areas, the charge station will take many years to get built. And
Gentlemen, I partially disagree with you, gentlemen, because I think everything starts from a smaller step, and everything that starts from a smaller step will definitely grow into something very big. And if we come to the charging, it is what India required is
India
has set up a sustainable goal to achieve this target in 2000.
Gentlemen, I want to add to your point. You are correct according to this, because I have seen in Haridwar only the e-rickshaw workers are also saying they do not get proper power supply, and they have to wait 2 to 3 hours to only charge their batteries.
I want to add a point on as the previous gentleman has said. So let's take an example of that. From many years, India has been trying to get irrigation supplies to many rural areas, but there are still some areas in our country, like rural areas, which are not getting proper irrigation supplies.
As the Prime Minister Modi has talked with the country Bolivia for the agreement of chargeable batteries, lithium, which is made of lithium, which take less chargeable time.
But still,
If you will see that if we will support this program, then this will help in making up charging station all the areas. This will also help in reaching the smaller areas where there are not electricity. Gentlemen, I want to say that most of you are saying that electrical vehicles are good for the environment, but we can move to CNGs also. And for example, if we move fully to the electrical vehicles, the latest news we have seen today is the highest price of petrol are rising. Today the price of petrol have rise to 85 rupees in Delhi. So if everyone moves to electrical vehicle, the prices of petrol will increase more. Gentlemen, I partially agree with you.
City
That's what I'm saying. Move to
More
CNG.
consumption of
The CNG cars are made
at a point.
I partially agree with you, but if there will not be any requirement of the petrol, if we fully go for the electrifying of vehicles, then automatically the price of the petrol will be dropped down, and it will also help our economy, that our country will not be taking petrol from other countries, and this will also help in boosting our economy.
I agree with you. I agree with you, gentlemen. But I agree with you, gentlemen. And it can also be taken from the fact that the manufacturing hub of our India, that 22% of the GDP come from the manufacturing hub of our India, and it is also.
बैठ जा 2 मिनट पॉज
But gentlemen, what about the?
But gentlemen,
But
India
it
derives
has no
India
running
derives
costs.
most of its
So
power.
it is difficult for
And
common
EVs
people to
are-
buy electric vehicles.
Yes, I am totally agree with you.
And also India's economy is hit hard during these days. So as we know that using electrical vehicles, we need proper infrastructure as well as electric station, which will cost very heavy for India, and economy is also very low. And as we can say, this will pressurize the automobile sector also. This will definitely decrease the
And
economy.
gentlemen, India derives most of its power from thermal power plants. If we have to produce electricity and electrify more the cars, we have to produce more electricity. More electricity would mean more coal, and that would increase that pollution also.
Gentlemen,
I want to say that renewable source of energy for electric vehicles, like solar power plant is being set up in the river in the Madhya Pradesh recently.
They are still being set up, but they haven't been set up till now.
सोलर प्लांट की तो एफिशिएंसी नहीं होती इतनी सोलर प्लांट की तो एफिशिएंसी नहीं होती इतनी
अरे
And the EVs require more
मध्य प्रदेश में बन रहा है ना 600 मेगावाट का बन रहा है, 600 मेगावाट को पावर सप्लाई करेगा वो, बहुत ज्यादा
उसको पावर उसकी पावर लॉन्ग सुन वो एक जगह बने एक जगह पे करेगा वो
इंडिया में कौन करेगा ये बताओ
तो ट्रांसपोर्ट तो एक ये थोड़ी होता है कि एक जगह ट्रांसपोर्ट
स्टेशंस बनाने मुश्किल है ना
This is what I'm saying, gentlemen. India has not yet reached its solar limit.
ओए आपस में कोई नहीं करेगा चिल्लाना है खड़े को जोड़ो चिल्ला रहा है
Yes, you are right, but what about that situation when you see the
जैसे बोलना है सबसे बोलो
That is for emergency, na?
what about that? India is not totally ready for this project because the first thing which is matter is that lack of infrastructure of our nation. ठीक है? Because as you all know aware about the Indian transportation system.
ओए ओपन
ठीक है, as you all know aware about the Indian transportation system and the awareness of about their road. Before implementing this project, we must focus on that area. The second thing is that we need a charging station. That would be a problem for us. Because it would be not easy to implement this thing in a particular area or like
I agree with you.
all
I agree
areas.
with you that we need charging stations for everything, but everything starts from a bit. If we not initiate now, then it will be too late for us.
But gentlemen, we are not saying that we shouldn't start.
Before
We
implementing
are saying we are still not ready to electrify all the cars.
I agree with you, gentlemen. And if you look at the statistic, the government also provide a subsidy of around 1,800 to 27,000 on the e-vehicles such as scooter and bike, and also 1,30,000 rupees of subsidy only on the car, which shows that India and the government is very much looking forward for the cleaner and greener energy in the e-vehicle. And as my counterpart was saying that India is not ready, and the India will not. And as the chest number anything, he was also saying that if we will require more energy, we have such a renewable energy such as the sunlight, and the government also providing subsidies on the solar plants and the solar power plant, which you can generate only at your home only, and that electricity you can use for your vehicle, and that will solve your problem, gentlemen.
The second point is that it would increase the cyber crime. Like as you can see, the Tesla launched the first car of their electric vehicle, and after launching their car, a hacker hacked their car within a 15 minutes. So it would also promote this thing.
So this could be a negative point.
Gentlemen, also we know that the electrical vehicles are silent and could lead to the accident and in the condition if the horn not works properly of electrical vehicles then the electrical vehicles
ज़्यादा practical हो गया ये सही कह रहा हूँ।
and also the electrical vehicles battery needs to be changed regularly in the period of 3 to 10 hours.
With this guy, because India is not
Because it is not convenient in my opinion.
India is still lacking in battery.
Electrical vehicles are not that much efficient. They are not providing us a good speed like diesel and petrol cars are providing us. If let's take a case for an
point of view, person, electric cars are too expensive everyone can buy it, and in India electricity is fluctuating every time, as we can see in every hour electricity is fluctuating.
Gentlemen, I want to add to your point. This is what I am saying. India is not yet ready because the electrical production. Gentlemen said that India has most of its power from thermal power plants. I want to add that India has only two geothermal power plants in Himachal Pradesh. So we should first generate so much electricity that we would be then ready to.
ओए हाथ नीचे कर, हाथ उठा के जुड़ी नहीं होती, हाथ नीचे कर।
Gentlemen, I agree with the statement of the previous speaker. Let us take an example that if a middle class person buy a electrical car, it is so expensive for him to buy that car. And if the car get damaged or something, he got accident of that car, it will be very difficult for him to buy a new equipment for that car as compared to the diesel car, because firstly the electric car is so expensive, and then if we repair that car, it will be more expensive.
And
So
even the batteries that are used in electric vehicles, if they are disposed of in a wrong way, that can be harmful to us.
I disagree with you. I partially agree with you, gentlemen, and I would like to add on by saying that India has a very less of the oil, the fossil fuel in terms of the oil, and India is not a very rich country in terms of the oil, and we are totally dependent on the Middle East, and some of our fossil fuel also comes from the Venezuela, which shows that India is very much dependent on the fossil fuel of the oil, and India can only neglect that thing by coming to a new energy, which can only be termed as an e-vehicle, and e-vehicle will definitely help in India in more investment in the India, which will definitely
Gentlemen, you are saying that India is taking most of the petrol from Middle East and it is not yet ready. So for which we have after even taking.
तनुज बैठ जा, 2 मिनट साइलेंस तेरी।
Consumption of energy to take a charge for electrical vehicles increase the energy bills of our home, and it will be very costly to us. So and it will be very costly.
Gentlemen, you are saying that India is not that much rich to get fossil fuels from other countries.
Gentlemen didn't say that India is not that much rich. I am saying that India is very much dependent on those countries.
But you just now said that India is not that much rich. And you are
I said that India is very much dependent on those countries.
Our own natural gas.
but it's also
It's more depend on natural gas.
Gentlemen, as I said earlier, yes, we do depend on them for fossil fuels, but we mainly depend on electricity for thermal power plants. It would increase pollution in both the ways. No, just we can start. I am not saying we should start.
We should buy an electric car that is more expensive as compared to the diesel or petrol car. One could buy the diesel or petrol car.
ओए आपस में नहीं।
Running cost.
Yes, you are right. It has low running cost. But
Reduce pollution.
if you are going to buy an electric car that is around like 7 to 8 lakh, you can buy 4 to 5 cars within that amount.
Silicon is
Okay. So
to set up solar panels, we need more money.
I am agreeing with the gentleman as the electric car present today is only for 2-seaters and if a person wants to go somewhere for
Electric car 2-seater, e-rickshaw 4-seater.
I am saying about electrical cars.
एक रिक्शे वाले के बगल में भी 6
electrical cars, not electrical rickshaws.
मेरे क्वेश्चन का जवाब
आगे हिंदी में चिड़ी स्लो calm down hold on आप अपनी बातें मत करो hold on speak
Suppose you have planned to go Mussoorie. Okay, Mussoorie like for state like Manali. Okay. So after reaching that point, your battery has been down. So what would you do at that?
But for that we have to pre-plan everything, na?
Okay, ठीक है. You have to plan.
तो आपकी पेट्रोल भी खत्म हो सकता है अगर उसमें जाएंगे.
But we have